Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 30th and our devotion is called Surrender. In the same way, those of you who do not give up everything you have cannot be my disciples. Luke 14:33. Surrender is offering what you have to someone else without reservations. Once you surrender something, you give up your ownership and your rights. What does a life fully surrendered to Christ look like? It's holding nothing back from God. Full surrender to the Holy Spirit cannot be fabricated. He cannot be fooled by elegant words or false commitment. Complete surrender to Him can be nothing less than sincere and legitimate. God, I do not know how to fully surrender myself to you. Hear my heart behind my words. I really want to be dedicated to you. Give me a chance to show you that today. The nighttime devotion. Being a disciple of Christ requires complete and total surrender of everything you have and everything you are. He is not asking you to give up anything that He wasn't willing to give for you. When Jesus gave up the glory and rights of His heavenly throne, He surrendered more for you than you could ever for Him. Jesus never sold His life as being casual, simple, or inexpensive. But He did promise that the reward would be great. The question of the day: what is God asking you to surrender? Trust that He knows what is best for you. To me, this devotion means that you put God above anything else. Any physical possession you have, that He comes first. That God even comes before your family and other people. And that is what surrendering to God is all about. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. I would appreciate it. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.